my good friends that decided to surprise me this time, this hour, and of course they're all the way from Nairobi, Kenya, and they're in Kigali. I don't know what they're doing in Kigali on a Friday, because I think Nairobi is much good when it comes to weekends. Gladys, welcome to Rwanda.
Thank you so much.
Are you good?
I'm very well, thank you.
You look so beautiful.
Aww.
Nice. Like, who's your designer? That draws my
Hey.
Let's do it. Stop lying now. Let's be honest.
I'm my own designer.
You design yourself.
You know?
That's really good. You have a fashion, like a boutique in Nairobi. What?
I don't have a boutique.
Yes.
I have someone who dresses me.
Wow.
Yes.
But you tell that person, like, I need to look like
I
this.
need to look like this.
That means you are you.
I'm going to Rwanda. I
Yes.
need to look like this.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that. I know, my brother, can you get closer to the microphone? What is your name?
My name is John Waithaka Kamwangi.
Kamwangi.
Kiraiko Master.
When I look at you, you look very stubborn. Like physical. But the voice is too low. What's wrong, my brother?
I'm not this stubborn actually.
Welcome to Rwanda.
Thank you.
This is your first time in Rwanda?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Wow. How did you find Rwanda, Kigali?
I just loved it.
Wow. The moment you landed at the airport, you just loved it.
Yes. A very clean country.
Wow, that's good.
And I love it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's really good. Gladys, what really surprised you most about Rwanda compared to Kenya?
What really surprised me
Yes.
today
Yes.
is actually you guys are very organized.
Thank you so much. That's good. Thank
It's
you.
very organized.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And then I went to Mount Kigali University.
University. Oh, you visited the campus?
Yes,
That's good.
yes.
Uh-huh.
And it was amazing. It was very good.
Wow.
Yes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Right, this is your first day in KGL. You've been at Mount Kigali. Have you been at Kigali Paramount Hotel?
Yes, that's where I'm spending.
That's where you spend the
It's
night.
a posh, very posh place.
Yes.
It's the best.
Okay.
Yes.
I like that.
Mount Kigali, Kigali
Kigali
Paramount.
Paramount. Yes.
And tomorrow we have a very big gig.
At Kigali Paramount?
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
Yes.
I'm the artist.
Okay.
So I'll be the one who will be performing there.
Okay.
Kiraiko Master.
Yay.
That's my name.
Yay.
How my people call me there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big name out there.
Yes.
I think even Rwanda should know that name.
Yeah.
K-Master.
K-Master. K-Master.
Master.
So what should your fans in Rwanda expect tomorrow?
Yes, they expect me to give them the best music for our cultural music,
Okay.
urban.
Okay.
So I invite them.
Okay.
Tell them they are so welcome.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah.
Gladys, what time is the event starting? If you remember. Yeah.
It's gonna start as early as
5 p.m. Okay.
5 p.m.
That's good.
Need to understand we have more than 20,000 Kenyans.
Wow, attending the event tomorrow.
No,
Yep.
in Rwanda.
In Rwanda, yes. Okay.
So
Generally,
I don't. If they
Yes.
come 20, no
Yeah.
Kenyans.
Yeah, okay.
But now we want to target the ones we say we mwega. Do you know mo we mwega?
What does that
Say we mwega.
Wemwela.
Mwega.
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 Is Murima.
Murima.
Murima language.
Okay.
So they speak in our language.
Okay.
The Wemwega language.
Okay.
The Kerema language.
Kelema language.
It's called Zukuyu.
Zukuyu.
Yeah. Zukuyu.
Let me
We
start
are
from
Zukuyu.
So how many languages are in Kenya?
43 or 40 something.
Crisis.
I don't know 40 what, but I know there is
What?
Kikoyo.
Okay. What is the most famous language?
Kikoyo! Do you know?
Yes, Gladys.
Kikuyus in Kenya
Okay.
are 9.4 million.
What?
The population in Rwanda is
Yes.
12 million,
No,
13
13.
million. So it's about our Kikuyu and our Ma. It's called Maasai.
Wow. I
So
like that,
we
yeah.
want to have just a good time.
Okay.
It's the beginning of
Okay.
a new year.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
They listen to us
Yes.
as much as they listen to the only English station
Yes.
in Rwanda,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Royal
sir.
FM.
Yes, sir.
Right? And then we have the best DJ who is coming. He's
Yes.
DJ Dolls.
DJ Dog,
You
yes.
need to
Dibo,
say
Dibo.
DJ Dibo.
Hey, Dibu, yes.
DJ Dibo.
I think before he performs, he should pass around and give us
He
some.
needs to come and do
Wow.
something.
Yeah, before he
DJ
goes.
Dibo.
Wow.
everywhere. And we have some very good girls from our digital.
Okay.
Because I'm also a radio presenter.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yes.
From which station in Nairobi?
It's called Kameme FM.
Kameme FM.
I've
That's
been
cool.
there for 17 years.
Wow.
You've been a journalist for how long?
It's like 13 years
13?
now.
So you should call me mom.
Yeah, no.
I'm a veteran.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Nah.
My brother, what is that one thing you wish you knew about Rwanda before you came? Just one thing. Like, okay, made you are that one thing before you came here. Just one thing.
Just one thing I have come to realize
Yes.
is that there is no things that I do use.
Okay. For example, what things? That's a hard one. That's big, bro. That's very good. What's that thing that you use that is not here?
They are not here. He needs to say.
Oh, you need to say that. Alone.
You're going to be arrested right here.
There isn't.
Okay.
So I love that this country.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, it's illegal.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us just keep it
Yeah.
indoors.
Yeah.
Yes. You like the country back here?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. That's so good. Now, Gladys, what does this word mean? Donjo Mabel.
Jojo Mabel.
Yes. I've waited for someone who is, this song is big. We just dance, but is it Dojo Mabel?
Jojo Mabel.
Yes. What does that mean?
I am going to bring you someone called Stacy Wa Digital tomorrow.
Okay.
She's the one who teaches me those kind of
The slangs.
the Gen Z,
the Gen Z, I know.
and then the DJ Dibo.
Yeah.
So and one going Dirango.
Yeah.
So they are gonna give you that.
Okay.
Are you working tomorrow?
I've to
Or
come
you
for
can't-
the event.
You're
Yes,
going
I have
to come to
for the
the event.
Sure.
For you, there's no bills on us.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Let us first enjoy this song when we come back. Okay?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Hey.